Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a fresh new video. I'm sorry I haven't hit that record button in a little while. I know it's been a little while. I just haven't really filmed much, or I haven't filmed anything other than this video that you're now about to see. Was actually filmed a couple of weeks ago. It was actually the day that my cousin got his car back on the road. He's had his car re-MOT'd since then, so it's probably been about a year since that car's been on the road. Sorry if this intro sounds a bit choppy because my camera, like I said, keeps cutting itself out. I don't know why. As soon as I sit it there, it just cuts itself out. But I can sit here and record my gear stick for like 10 minutes. So anyway, I'm going to try and make it quick. Hopefully it hasn't cut out. I will see you in the next clip. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and enjoy the video. Alright guys, I haven't picked up this camera in probably fucking forever. But as you can see, we are back down at the workshop and Joshua has finally pulled this thing out of his fucking grave.
Oh, fuck you!
It's been sat in his grave for about a year, but he has actually done loads of work to it, which I'm going to show you guys around quickly now, and then I'm going to show you why we're actually filming this video today. As you can see, he's sanding, making the bonnet the boot smooth, because he's filled the little, whatever it's called, number plate recess in, and he's just got to sand it and make sure it's smooth, and then he's going to paint it again. But I will just quickly show you around what else he has done, because I haven't actually filmed any of this car since whenever it was.
I don't feel.
So yeah, anyway, if you guys did know this car from a previous video, or you have seen it in a previous video, you would know it was yellow. The car was green before, but it is now yellow. But it was like a matte, ugly looking yellow. Yeah, it was like a mustardy matte yellow, which was done with what's it called? Filler primer paint, really. Filler primer paint, and none of the door shuts were done, none of that. So Joshua has spent the last sort of year having this car off the road. It's been down at where he works, sat in the workshop, and he sanded every single panel. He sanded all the door shuts, all the doors, literally everything. And he has sprayed it the same yellow, because yellow's his colour. But he's done the door shuts and he's lacquered it. So he's just finishing up the boot today. And I am here doing central locking, wiring in a central locking kit, which you can see here. You can't really see it, it's in there somewhere, but I've got the other parts here. I don't know how well this camera is going to focus either, because I'm shit with the focus on this, because it's actually my photography camera. But that's what we're here doing today. I'm going to carry on filming some bits. I just thought I'd fill you guys in on this. He has got a bit of overspray there, but my camera's not focusing. And a few bits here, there. Anyway, before my camera rudely interrupted me, he is going to be respraying the roof at some point probably, because he's got overspray on it, as you can see over there. And yeah, he's just going to tidy bits up while I'm sat here doing wiring. So anyway, little bit of explanation about what I'm doing. Basically, this little box right here, which the camera's not focusing on. Hopefully that's focused for you guys. But basically what that little box is this wired to all corners of the car. Obviously that door, the back door, this front door. As you can see, the wires coming through here. We couldn't get them through this little bit, so that's why it's drilled here and gasketed. It's the same on the rear doors, but on the rears it's gone through the little rubber, because the little rubber was easier. And it's just, I've got to do this door as yet. Wires are still here. I've done that door. All I have to do is wire in a permanent feed to that box, and I also have to wire in a switched feed to that box. So that gets its power, and it's got a genuine VW remote for the whole system. So once that's powered up, his little blue light in the corner up there will flash and do what it normally does for an alarm system. And then we've got all these separate wires that have got to be wired in for like your hazards, your horn, for it to beep and set off an alarm if anyone tries to get in, things like that. I've got the wiring diagram down here, which the camera's not going to focus on, is it? There we go, a little bit more focused. But other than that, that's what I'm currently up to. So I'm not going to try and film much of this because wiring is a bloody boring job. I'll let you know once we've got some bits and bobs done. Good enough to film, boy.
Is it there?
Don't know. Alright guys, so I'm just now updating you. Hopefully I'm not shouting in the mic, fucking hell. But we have now got indicators wired up to the button. All the doors are working. They're unlocked at the minute. You've even got a blue light. A blue light. But all the doors are open. This pleb's got the door open, but locked. Locked. My camera keeps fucking stopping recording. Locked. And locked. Unlocked. And we've also, well, Joshua's also put some more filler shit on that, but we've also got focus, fucking motherfucking focus. A boot popper, which you need springs for, but that's shut. I wired in the boot popper for him, and it pops the boot as well. Oh, he's put all the plastic trimming on, so can't see none of that. But that's how far we got tonight. Right, my camera's about to die. I'm going to film this outro real quick. Sat here editing the video, haven't yet filmed an outro yet, so I appreciate you guys if you stayed to this point. If you have, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button, and also hit that little bell notification right next to the subscribe button, because it helps out a lot and it lets you guys know when my next video goes live. So anyway, thank you for sticking around. I appreciate you. I will see you in the next video.